Hey everybody, hope you had a great week. December 22 corn was up 21 cents and November 22 soybeans are up 40 cents again on the week. It's amazing how these commodities have just ran the past 2 or 3 weeks as we move forward, almost halfway through February already. To begin with soybeans, we closed the week at 14.44. We did make a new contract high on Thursday at 14.69. The technicals are still extremely overbought, but managed money keeps piling capital into this soybean futures market. And actually, about $4 billion has entered the market on a net basis the past 2 weeks. Really, what we need to expect is sharp, volatile swings that can happen very quickly, just like what happened on Thursday. We open up, up over 30 cents, and by the end of the day, we're back to neutral. And after we made a new contract high, so it's very important to know your profit points. Again, I know I keep saying this, but have a plan together for marketing this year because things are moving very quickly. Moving on to corn, closed the week at 5.94 per bushel on the December contract. Technicals are looking very bullish. They still have room to run, so corn may have room to run higher here. Spec funds are still net long 337,000 contracts, so they're still fully supporting this contract. They did sell some contracts through February 8th, but it looks like they picked some back up to end the week. In regards to the March corn contract, we did break out of heavy 640 resistance. So if you still have some old crop left, that is to your benefit because we could test some new contract highs. 640 is now acting as support that since we broke out of that range. So key to pay attention to that again as we move forward. General updates on Thursday, markets were very wild. CONAB, which is like the Brazilian USDA, lowered their estimated soybean production 550 million bushels since the January report. So that was a huge number that they lowered it by, and markets basically exploded on that news and tested new contract highs, and then managed money took profits to end the day. They hit their profit points where they wanted to sell at. On Friday, announcement of Russia to invade Ukraine is most likely going to happen next week. So on that announcement, crude oil jumped about $4 a barrel, and wheat futures and gold futures also took off very well. That's happening because Russia is basically blocking a lot of the export areas for Ukraine. And so corn and wheat, if they do actually invade, should have a very bullish run ahead of us moving forward. February WASDE report was released on Wednesday. It was a bullish report, but that was already priced into the trade. Traders expected these numbers, and so what happened was the USDA lowered South American corn and soybean estimates, and they also lowered U.S. soybean ending stocks by 25 million bushels. So something to pay attention to there. In regards to crop insurance, we are in the spring price discovery period for your revenue guarantees on the revenue protection policies. That started on February 1st. We are currently 10 out of 19 days completed on that discovery period. And so far, your corn guarantees are $5.80 per bushel, and soybeans are at $14.11 as of the close on Friday. Last year, they were $4.58 for corn and $11.87 for soybeans. So corn's up about 29% on your revenue guarantees so far, and soybeans are up about 19%. So revenue guarantees should be much higher this year, barring any disaster in the markets over the next couple of weeks. But one thing I want to remind everybody is that crop insurance is the only input on your farm that you can buy per acre that will guarantee you revenue. And so this will help you hedge against some high input costs that you are experiencing this year for your farming operation. Um, Last thing here is March 2nd is our spring update meeting in Buckley at Christ Lutheran. I would like to invite you to attend and hear what we have to say about updates for the upcoming crop year. But other than that, we want to thank you for your business. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to Larry, Susan, or I, and we can help you out. Thank you very much and have a good weekend.